Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Viewers. So we were working on the menu interface and its sensitivity to the authorization metric, right? In the admin sheet, when you log in with a super user, you got the access to this sheet. And since this super user has got access to everything, right? You have logged in with the super user and so it allows you. But if you log in with other users like Gulzar, for example, uh, or Riaz, yes, let's take Riaz, right? And now, just suppose you have logged on and you click here. This is right. It allows you because it has got the access to the employee master, right? Fair enough. But for the other one, uh, for example, product master, it does show that access is denied because the product sheet is not there. But then it should go out instead of going displaying 8 means this is a mistake. So let's figure out what's been done. So what you are going to do is right click, go to assignment tool and click it here, this, yeah, and edit. Okay, so we are going to put a breakpoint here so that we can see what's making it re means show this message. Yeah, this message is actually coming due to this. Let's see that you don't need this to be shown here. All right. Okay. So this is the thing which we had copied uh, from the employee master. So the same correction is required in the command in the command button one interface as well. Okay. So let's first of all run it that what is happening. Right. Fine. Now let's see what is the outcome of the authorization. It gets the permission or not. No. So that's quite rightly it is state. Okay. Now access denied is mentioned. That's fine. It is this message box appeared. Now this is the command which is a useless command. We are going to remove it so that this message does not occur. Right? So access is denied and denied. Yeah, no more further things, right? So the same thing we should check it again. It is always good to QA means quality assurance. Do the quality assurance of your processes very with my looking minutely in the details, right? So this is right. Why? Fair enough. This is fair enough. That's right. So this was a mistake. Now let's copy the same thing to the supplier master, right? So we use this, okay, Control C, and we right click here, and we do the assign macro, we do edit here, right? So this is the assign. So we are going to replace this with this, right? Okay, and in here we will write what? Supplier. It should be the rightly spelled as it is written in here. This is supplier. Okay? So we'll get back to here and we will write supplier. Okay, so now let's run it again. If he is allowed to go to supplier, access denied. Why? The user is Riaz and user is Riaz and he is not allowed here. He is not allowed to go to this object. Right? This is denied. That's right. So let's do it quickly for the purchase order entry. Purchase order entry is actually covering the two headers. Means two sheet. One is PO header and PO detail. Right. So here uh, we will do the check twice. One for the purchase and detail, purchase order header and purchase order header, and the other is for PO detail, right? So let's right click here and we assign make to. We make a new in here. One. That's right. Okay. Okay. This is a new order. Yeah. So in here we control V here. Okay. So we copy it. So first of all, let's check PO header. PO header. If the purchase order header is allowed, then if it is allowed, then it is again checked with the detail as well, because entering only the header does not make any sense. You got to have the access at the same time to the other sheet, that is PO detail, right? So let's write this statement into here. Control V. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So here it will be PO details. So make sure you have the right spelling, PO detail, not S. Huh? Details. No S. Okay. So PO detail, and then it is going to check out whether it is authorized. If it is still authorized, then it is going to display heading. Otherwise what? This access is denied. Right. So this is a nested condition. If and if. This is if authorized, then allow this here. So this is not employee master. This is what? This is the second is this one is purchase order entry. PO. PO entry, data entry. Purchase order entry. Hmm. Otherwise, the access is denied. That's it. So let's try it. So in both cases, it should tell you the access is denied. Yeah, it should. So let's change the user, or we give the permission to him. Riaz. We allow only purchase order, but not the purchase detail, PO detail. Purchase order header is allowed, PO detail not allowed. Okay. Now let's see. Yeah, access is still denied, although we have allowed the PO header. Okay. So if we allow this and disallow this, what would happen? We go this and it is still access denied, right? And when we allow both, this is called menu authorization sensitivity, right? Now, this time it should allow, yeah, starting the P1. Right? So this how we create the sensitivity, and let me do this the same for the purchase order report as well. So for this you have only one yeah, that is monthly summary. This report is you have. Uh, so monthly summary is the report. So let's go and right click here, and we make it. We create a new one here. Okay, and in here we will do this. Okay, okay. What we do here, it will be the sheet name will be monthly summary, exactly as written. Okay, so the safe side is that you double click on it, control C it, that's it, and get back to the Alt F11 position here and control V it here. That's all. So there is no chance that you get an error of any typographic error. It's prevented. Okay, so this is the sheet and it is being checked. If this is authorized, then the report purchase or the monthly summary report. And this is monthly summary. Summary. Okay. Yeah, purchase order. Okay. Otherwise, it is access denied and yes, if authorized. So you don't need this. That's right. You only need this thing to be here, and that's it. Fine. So So let's check it again. From you go to the interface and try to use this. So you access denied. And if you allow him the monthly summary and now check it. Ah, now it is allowed. Some monthly summary of it. That's right. So what it is going to do this is program. So you have completed the, the menu sensitivity so that it is watching the the authorizations of the users for which the menus menu items are being allowed or not allowed. Yeah. So actually this authorization matrix is governing uh, the the all the available options of the interface. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to your watching in the upcoming exciting experience.